Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Piggy from Roblox, so let's get started. To draw this awesome pig, let's first start by drawing her head. So I'm going to start right here and start with an oval. So there's a big curve at the top, and then I'm starting to round it off. So it's like a circle, but my circle is kind of ovalish, a little bit flatter. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. Nice big oval for her head. And connect at the bottom. There, so I got a big oval in there. Now let's come inside right here in the center area and draw another oval for the snout area. So it's pretty prominent, so I'll kind of put it about right here. So right in the center, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, but smaller. There. So it's a little bit more towards the bottom right here. And so then let's come in here and we're going to draw two more ovals for the nostrils. You can shade that in so you see a little bit better. Okay, so then from there to draw the eyes. So the eyes are kind of like an oval that's slanted. So on this side right here, I'll start on this edge right here because there's this another oval I need to draw. So you know what, let's draw that one first, sorry. So I'm gonna come here and draw a smaller oval. It'll be a little bit easier, and then a bigger one around it. There. And then the other side is just a plain oval. So about right here. I'll just drag points across just to make sure I'm about the same area. I'll just give myself a little highlight right here and I shade this all in. Fix my oval here. Okay, so now we have that in, and oh, let's shade this one in too. Right in this area. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to the sides and we're going to draw two more ovals for cheeks. Right on the side, right here. Lots of practice with ovals and circles for Piggy. Approximately. Okay, there, finally. Now we can draw the ears. Much simpler. Just pop them up on this edge right here. So say about right here. And just big curve that comes around. Kind of like a mouse ear. So same thing on the other side. About right here. And here. Okay, so now for the body, which is so much simpler, just a little dress right here. So we're gonna center it, so about right here and here. And let's just bring down a slight curve all the way down. Bring a little bit more. About right there, I'll stop, and then at the bottom right here, I'm just going to go ahead and wobble some curves all the way across. And slightly lower towards the center. Then for the arms, right here, let's come and round this part off. So this arm is holding a bat, so let's come here, round it off. About right here would be the armpit area. come out. And so let's come down here first. And about right here, we're going to draw a thumb. And let's bring this down more. And about right there, we're just going to come in here. Imagine the bat going through her hand. So we're just going to draw a curve, just to simplify it. Then from there, we can have and draw the bat coming out. So about right here, come out with a bat. And about right here, I'll round it off. Okay, so then the end, just make sure it's still going at the same angle. And whatever space you have left right here, you can just give an indication of the end of the bat. There. Okay, so now the other arm, much simpler, just onto your side. So just a curve like the other side, about right there. And we're just going to bring it down around the same area. So about right here, thumb. And the fingers. Okay, and that is pretty much it. So then if you like, you can draw some crease lines right here. You can do that when you're coloring. And can I put a heart right here for Piggy? You know what? I am. Because I know a lot of you look forward to me putting hearts on my drawings. So there, hope you love how this drawing of Piggy from Roblox turned out, and I was able to make it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.